Good evening, guys. Gabi na dito sa Norway, guys. And then, kanina, I only ate hamburger from Burger King. So, yung ano ko, guys, yung panggabi ko na pagkain, guys. Ito, guys, nagawa ko ng couscous. Tapos, nagpirito ako ng ham with egg. And meron akong mackerel, guys, na smoked mackerel. Tapos, meron ako itong sausawan. This is pinakurat with lots of chili. Because you know, guys, I really like chili. And then, of course, I have this. This one is Spanish chorizo. Chorizo dahil ng Spanya, guys. Binigay ito sa anak ko. I get this from my son. And this is the small orange. This one. And of course, hindi talaga mawawala itong tubig ko na may lemon. Let's eat, guys! Hope you enjoy my video, guys. Because I enjoy doing it. So I hope you enjoy also. So now, kamaya na, guys. So here. Sobrang anghang, guys. You see that chorizo, guys? This is Spanish chorizo. And it really tastes good. This is my life in Norway, guys. Simple living. Simple living lang talaga dito. And the ham with egg. Inano ko sa pinakurat. Ito yung tubig ko, guys. My water with lemon. Super sarap, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video, guys, na kumakain na ako. Because I really like taking videos while I'm eating. So, super anghang. Kainin ko itong mango, guys, bukas. With bagoong. Ang labas, guys, high blood. Okay, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, guys, sa video ko. I hope na maganda yung kinakain nyo, guys, na may kinakainin kayo dyan. So, thank you for watching. And it's Mama Chu here saying, Stay safe and take care. Bye. Bye, guys.